Hello to everyone. Today I am here with how to build your career in finance. Finance part 2. If you are interested to have update videos, please do subscribe my channel. Secondly, watch this video till end in order to grasp the concept of the topic. Career building in finance technical analysis section. Now this session is related with the technical analysis. In this session, we are going to cover why to learn financial statement analysis, where to learn from the financial statement analysis, why and what from learn budgeting and forecasting, why to and what from learn cost accounting, why to and what from learning accounting principle. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in this section. Why to learn financial statement analysis? Financial statement analysis builds the skills to the professionals to value the entity by means of following. Analysis applied on the financial statements that include balance sheet analysis, income statement analysis, cash flows analysis, etc. Means there are number of more analysis over the time that you used to evaluate and analyze. The analysis of financial statements help the profession to interpret the inside of each variable variables variance. Variance means the increase or the decrease over the time. Insight help to detect the problematic areas that lead to take appropriate action. When you are able to identify the problematic area, thereafter you can take the appropriate decision to overcome those problems. What to learn? Vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, variance analysis, price volume mix. So price volume mix may be a new concept for you. It's the difference between your target and the actual volumes. Comparative analysis, sensitive analysis. Sensitive analysis means you develop the analysis by applying the conservative approach. Means a worst scenario basis, you change your figures keeping in view any worst condition. On the basis of that, you make your analysis. Headcount analysis, it may also be a new concept for you. Headcount analysis provides the analysis about the measurement of the resources with the changer. For example, over the time you are growing, and with the growth of your entity, which type of resources you require to project in advance. Like if your sales are growing, with the sales you may have to build your infrastructure and have to develop the human resources according to the growth. Scenario analysis, break-even analysis, you may be familiar with these terms. If not, you will have to develop these skills. Why to learn budgeting and forecasting analysis? Budgeting and forecasting highlight the measures to be taken to achieve the different units objective and ultimate entity goals while looking into the future. Here, word to learn, budget process, incremental budgeting. With the growth, you will have to develop the incremental budgeting because budget is always developed in advance. Activity-based budgeting, zero-based budgeting, rolling forecast, risk and opportunity, sales forecasting, opportunity stretch, sales force composite, lead driven, market build-up. So these are the areas you will have to learn in order to enable to become the specialist in the area of budgeting and forecasting. Why to learn cost accounting? Cost accounting is also a very important part to learn for the analyst. Analyze help the entity to work on the best product mix that able efficient product cost. Always you develop a product mix based on market demand and with their cost effectiveness. So on the basis of the cost and demand, you develop a product mix. Cost accounting overall give a transparent view on the profitability of the entity. Because many times it happens, all profitable products are not market demanding products. So you have to develop the product mix. Now, word to learn, standard costing, manufacturing variance, activity-based costing, duration-based costing, how to compute on hourly rate, how to define a material price, how to calculate the manufacturing overheads. So these are the areas you should learn in order to become the expert in the area of cost accounting. Why to learn accounting principles? Accounting principles having significant role that explain about financial, environmental, other controls, not only to the finance professionals, but also help non-finance people. Many times, many areas are handled by the non-finance people. So it's important to have the awareness about the accounting principle for them is equally important. That can also help them in order to build their career. Where to learn accrual principles, conservatism principle, consistency principle, cost principle, economic entity principle, full disclosure principle, going concern principles, matching principles, materiality principles, monetary unit principle, reliability principle, revenue recognition principle, time period principle. So these are the areas you should learn in order to build the career or becoming the specialist in the area. Thank you very much. See you again with the upcoming video on the same topic very soon.